Fried Tenggiri Fish with Tamarind Paste. You need some water, 4 pieces of tenggiri fish, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 100 grams of tamarind paste, also known as asam jawa. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Marinate the tenggiri fish with salt and tamarind paste. Step 2. Deep fry the fish. Turn on the stove to medium heat and pour some oil into the wok. After the oil is heated, put in the tenggiri fish. Halfway through, flip the fish. When the fish is fully cooked, remove it from the oil and serve. This dish goes very well with sambal belacan, calamansi lime, and cucumber. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.